You're sitting down, your left leg is extended in front of you, and your right leg is bent behind you as I'm showing on screen. Flex your left toes towards your face, sit up nice and tall. And if this is enough stretch for you on that hamstring, feel free to stay here. If you're ready to go deeper, allow yourself to fold forward over the leg as far as you can go. Again, focus on relaxation. So yes, we are relieving tension, but don't push it so hard to where you might hold your breath. Allow yourself to breathe, relax, allow the stretch to happen. If you can, reach your feet or reach your hands around the bottoms of your feet. You can actively pull your toes a little closer towards you and deepen the stretch. Full breath in. Exhale, let it go. And go ahead and lift up your chest, switch sides. Extend the opposite leg. Same thing, sitting up tall at first. Then allow yourself to sink into this stretch on the right leg, taking your time. And again, on this side, if you can wrap your fingers around the bottom of your foot, you can actively pull those toes closer towards your forehead. Full breath in. Big exhale. Beautiful. Lift your chest. Come back into that malasana or that yogi squat where we're rocking side to side. Hopefully you should feel your hips a little more open, your body more relaxed. Time to activate so that we can relax even more. Hands in front of you, 20 pulses. Back, let's go. 20. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. Good job. Drop your left shoulder down. Open your chest. Open up. Looking up. Maybe you come into a half bind or a full bind as I'm showing on the screen with your hands wrapped behind your left thigh. Beautiful. Switch sides. Take whatever option you did on the first side. Try your best to be as even as possible. Half bind or full bind. The half bind is just with the top arm behind. So maybe you start there before you can add the bottom hand. Return to center, malasana. Palms together, elbows pressing your knees wide. Nice flat back. Beautiful. From here, bring yourself to all fours, shoulders over your wrists and hips over your knees. Let's begin those circles. So dropping your belly down, press your rib cage over to the left side, up through center, to the right and down center again. Then continue that motion all the way up and around. You can take these as slow or as quick as you like. Engaging the abs. Engaging the shoulder blades. This should feel like a massage. to your belly and to your back. Very nice. Switch directions, dropping down to the right, up through center and around. Same thing, just opposite direction. Last rotation. Then go ahead and slide your right knee forward, coming into a pigeon pose. Chest is up tall, engaging gently through your abdomen, allowing that outer right hip to open. You might feel this through the front of your left leg, your hip flexor down through your quad as well. Option to lift up, take your hands behind your head. Deep breath in. With your exhale, allow the tension to release from your hips. One more full breath in. Big exhale. Beautiful. Go ahead and pull that left leg up, sending your right leg back, switching sides. Now we come into pigeon pose on the other side. Option to take your hands up higher behind your head. Again, take that same option that you did on the other side. Full breath in. Big exhale. Nice. Go ahead and release.